A circuit breaker is one of the most important electrical components that gets installed in any circuit. Be it the electrical wiring of your home or office, having a circuit breaker is highly important to prevent any kind of electrical damage to your appliances. And in order to use these circuit breakers, you will need something like the best circuit breaker panels given in this video that has been chosen as per these aspects. There are many products available to choose from best circuit breaker panel, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best circuit breaker panel from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Leviton 51121 Panel Protector. Leviton presents a single-phase panel protector with a short circuit current rating of 10 kA. It offers an MSCC of 50 kA. For additional safety, it comes with the UL 1449 VPR rating certification. The visual indicator provides real-time power status indication through lights red and green. This surge protector device is suitable for indoor and residential purposes. It is suitable for sensitive electronic devices such as LED, LCD, computers, microwaves, ovens, and so on. Remember to buy 4 additional wires in case you are installing them on your own. As it is a Type 2 device, we installed it at the load side of the main electrical panel. If you do not have any skills, it is mandatory to call an electrician. The installation process took 30 to 40 minutes. As mentioned, the device works on 120/240 volts. We tested it with both systems. The NEMA enclosure Type 1 restricts its usage to indoors only, and its protection mode only supports mode L and leader L. That means it doesn't backline to ground or neutral to ground. The build quality is strong as the device uses a J-box metal housing, and it is fully portable. Number 2. Siemens TL137 US Talon Power Outlet. Siemens is one of the most popular brands out there when you are talking about electrical components and devices, because of which it offers a wide range of circuit breaker panels. The Siemens TL137 US Talon circuit breaker panel is a fairly powerful option for most scenarios. Starting with its performance, this circuit breaker panel is designed for up to 125 amp loads. Coming to its physical compatibility, this circuit breaker panel offers a total of 8 spaces and support for 16 circuits, which is a bit average considering its high-end price tag. Thankfully, being a high-end circuit breaker panel from a reputable brand means that you also get a 1-year warranty with it. Number 3. Square D by Schneider Circuit Panels. You can also consider Square D and its offerings if you are looking for a circuit breaker panel made for heavy-duty usage, but want one without paying a premium for the same. Square D by Schneider Electric's HOM 1224L 125 PC circuit breaker panel. You get amazing performance numbers with it, despite having an entry-level price tag, resulting in a high value for money. For starters, you get a high current rating of up to 125 amps with it. Unlike other budget options, this one even offers a total of 12 spaces and support for 24 circuits, making it ideal for heavy-duty usage. Since this is a sub-brand of the highly reputable Schneider Electric, you also get a 5-year warranty with it. Number 4. Siemens W0816ML 1125 CU circuit panels. Siemens also offers much cheaper options when you are talking about circuit breaker panels that still manage to offer pretty great performance numbers to the user. This Siemens W0816ML 1125 CU circuit breaker panel is another high value for money option. Despite being a cheaper offering from Siemens, this one also comes with a 125 amp current rating like the previous one. As for size, this budget circuit breaker panel comes with a total of 8 spaces and 16 circuits, which is to be expected. Talking about its warranty, this one also comes with a 1-year warranty similar to the previous Siemens offering. Number 5. Siemens P1224L 3125 CU circuit panels. The next product on our list is from the house of Siemens, which offers a wide range of circuit breaker panels and other electrical components with high performance, feature-rich lines, and long-lasting nature to meet applications for your every need. This Siemens P1224L 3125 CU circuit breaker panel has a 3-phase current rating of up to 125 amps. It features instant wire technology for an easy and quick installation, as it provides 2 factory-installed ground bars. It is made of copper material that makes it strong, durable, and lasts longer. The circuit breaker panel offers 12 spaces, along with the support for 24 circuits, which makes it ideal for heavy-duty usage. Furthermore, it is backed by a standard 1-year warranty on this breaker panel. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.